Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use interface. Using interface can make your blueprint more clean and modular. So what I'm going to do is when I control the character, move to here, and there will be a box in the level just right here, and the box will move forward. So this is it. Now let's get started. First of all, I'm gonna create a interface blueprint interface. I'm gonna name it player interface. And save, and I'm gonna create a function and I name it move box, and that's it. Right here I don't need input or output. If you want, you can add input or output. So now I'm gonna create a box, which is two boxes. One for the move box, and the other is a trigger box. Save. And let's go to the move box first. I'm gonna add a cube right here. And go to class settings, add the interface which we just created, player interface. And now go to event graph. Now here we can see the interface right here, move box function, which I just created. And now go to functions, override, select this move box player interface event. Now there's an event, and when this event triggered, we need to move the box forward. So I'm gonna see which axis is forward. Now I'm gonna drag this box to the level. Okay, so the axis is the forward. So what I'm gonna do is set actor location, and get correct location. Get actor location and split this and X. I'm gonna add like 200, and make vector. Okay, now we can link this return value to the new location. Now it's done. And next, I'm gonna go to the trigger box. Here, I'm gonna add a cube right here. And there's one thing we need to change right here. Go to collision and collision press. I'm going to change it as trigger. Compile, save. And we're gonna also add variables is trigger actor. Oh, it's target actor, sorry. Is actor. Object reference. And we're gonna make sure this eye is open, so it's instance editable, which means we can add it when we drag this box into the level. We can add it right here. Details panel. I'm gonna find the details panel right here. Now we have trigger box, and you can see target actor. We can choose a actor as the move target, so which is this box. I'm gonna move this box, so right here I'm gonna choose the box move box. By using this way, I can, without using the cast to node. So that's a way to use the interface and without using cast to node. I know some people they like to use cast to node, but I think maybe cast to node will cause loss of performance, especially when your game was a huge big game. When you're running, and it's gonna cause loss of performance. So by using this way is a good way. Yeah, I think so. So now we go to the trigger box, and select the cube, events on component begin overlap event. Now for the SQ pin, I'm gonna execute move box message, this one, and that's it. For the target actor, we need to link it to the target. Here we go. So now when our player move to here, let's look at that, the other box in the middle of the level. So let's see, it just move forward, and now we do it again. It just move forward again. Now do it again, move forward. Do it again, move forward. That's right. So there's another option. You can just make this cube, this trigger box, invisible in the map. Just go to cube and set visible. I'm gonna find it where this right here, visible. Untick the visible, compile, save. And now we can't see the box, but it's still right here. It's still right here. So we can check it out. When the character move to here, let's pay attention to the white box. Oh, sorry. Yeah, it moves forward. It moves forward again. and it move forward. So basically that's it. Use a interface to control the box move forward, and this is the way by using the interface. And I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and thank you.